That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Them don't finally go marry me after 15 years. Oh yeah, come with me as we travel to my village for my marriage. So for this place, as they go like this, now they see snow where they my village. That is that. So now they see so many of them for my comment section. They thought say, so since they never marry, so since now you are not married, what of our Oyibo family? This, that. Oh yeah, listen, make I tell you something. You didn't ask away my Oyibo family. We don't already go meet my Oyibo family since they do the rightful things to do, the needful things where they use the marry woman from my Oyibo family. This one so where we can't do now out of love my husband gets for Igbo culture. And I make us so yeah, me we can't do this thing. You don't tell me we don't let us say we go calm down. So listen, can you what I na watching the capun or corner person in my comment section? Now jump one question, now what or the other. Anyways, at this point, I know. So greetings, as you all know, Ndichi and Ndichi, family people, village people, everybody. I be asking one.
When you read them, if I will read them, I read them my melody. When you read them, my melody, you read them my manners. When you gender, I will you.
So at this point, they don't pray finish. They even carry this thing, give my husband. I say, how you pray? You don't pray. As a traditional man. So my people, let me tell you people something. A lot of things happened in this place. Just stay tuned and watch because you go laugh tire, and I need your opinion because it get where something happen why I won't really ask on a waiting bring that kind thing for this place. So this place they don't pray finish now. They share cola as usual. Who want chop go chop, no be force. After from there we can't come out, can't go where they take canopy where they say that they do the main thing. And then waka they go. So just film my husband outfit first. Film the odogu is odogu. He's odoguing with my people where they back. All of us, we just the carton they go. So yeah, may we reach that place. We come finally reach where the canopy dey. We come begin greet another set of elder. And you see one thing they tell me to go village. You go greet tire. You go greet tire. You go greet this other. They say, hey, this is your uncle. This is your auntie. This is your grandmother's grandmother. This is your mother. This is your father. I can't wonder how many mother and father I get for village. You go greet, they greet, greeting upon greeting. Anyways, we don't greet finish. Now we can't come here. So make we begin the change fast. You see this my husband bestie. She's such a darling. I don't know which kind of angel she be. And sure, sometimes they wonder if she's my husband bestie, I be she's my bestie. Because what is this? She's always making sure that I'm looking good, I'm on point, like everything is in order. And see, make I tell you now, no matter what you do in this life, especially when it comes to doing Igbo something, they must pressure you. And besides, I saw this outfit online. So please, whoever that recreated this outfit and posted, thank you so much for recreating it for me. I've been creating it for me. Now me can't recreate them. Thank you. I don't know who you be, but thank you anyways. So for I don't finally come out with my first fitting. As in I know, as tradition demands, it must come out with first fitting. That one day composer. We can't come here, can't they dance? Now here I get question. Listen, my husband put hand, carry half bundle, first spray me as my first outing. You see how to pick the money like this? Now this my auntie come pack the money. So after they pack Jesus, the question they be very funny. Now they come pack the money. So when I come out from this first outing where I can't go inside to change. Now I come ask hey I beg who pick my money? Make I know first where it dey, where my money dey. You know these people tell me. They tell me say which money? Say that money no belong to me. Or say the money belong to my mother. Oh man, so me and my friends. Everybody just open eye. We say you say waiting. They say the money no belong to me, say it belong to my mother. So I don't wonder which kind of tradition be that. So you won't tell me say husband and wife go do expenses finish to can't do traditional marriage or to can't do anything. They will spray them money, spray them plenty things. You're going to say no be then get us. Say that mama wish mama will do expenses. I been mama will not do expenses. I been also the thing they do from our own culture because I don't understand this kind of culture and tradition. I wonder who write them. You said a quick tell me now hear me and for take issue because why you can't pick money when you no spend anything. Me when on happy say I know say I'll get money today. Now these people they do me anyhow. Anyways, that is that. You see that my clothes so hey Jesus, Obara God oh. When I know what they do for us, I don't need to come and explain it. They just check waiting daily list where they write and that. So, but you see that dress, I want to give credit to who credit belongs to. They say give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. I see this dress online. Like it was so fine. I don't define dress, find design. Since now I can finally see this design. And it looks so different. Now I can finally say, okay, make I recreate. And so please, to whoever that made this dress, thank you so much for creating this style for me, because you know saying I mean you create them for. Actually, I don't know who made it. I would have just said let me tag the person. So this is me and my husband's bestie dancing. She just they ginger me, they now I can say okay, carry me up, but you that go that kind of thing. As a village girl, what happen? So now this place is boy. Guy, I was not expecting that for my village people know me for leg. Now I feel like for grand. The person tell me say for 4 for my day. I for no believe. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye. And to my designer, oh Jenny's culture. If I don't call you for this video, who again I won't call? To the designer that made my dress and my husband dress. Yes, now woman where they sew both man and woman clothes. Please, I'm giving you a 200 over 100 because she ate this outfit. She recreated exactly what I give and make she recreate. She not do me what I ordered versus what I got. Thank you so much, Jenny. I love you. Mwah.